Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I'm here with engineer. So we are taking you through the project which is ongoing. So join and see how the engineer do the cabling of the entire third floor, the open area. So I want to take you step by step and see how the wiring is done according to electrical regulations. So as you see behind me, we have the distribution board here where the all cables are drawn to here. This is the main board for this area. So it powers the lighting, the sockets, and the other appliances. So here we have different colors of cable. As you see, we have the red color, the black, and the yellow, and some green. So the red one is live cable. I think these are for lightings. It is 1.5 millimeter size. Have the black one, and the green is for earth. So you need to earth everything. Ensure earthing is done properly. We have here same color but different size. This is 2.5 cable, and this is running from the breaker, which will be inside the board to power all the sockets, the linked sockets. So up we have the PVC PVC conduit for 20 millimeter. We decided to use this size because our cable are small, so they can fit inside the conduit. So let me take you how the cable runs. As we have linked the lightings. See guys, these are the lightings. See guys, this area will be, the ceiling will be fitted. So this is just to show you that. Then I will take you through after the ceiling is fitted, so that you can see how the neatness work is. So please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. We are road to 4,000 subscribers. So subscribe so that we'll be getting our electrical tutorials on daily basis. Once we upload, we'll be able to get it on right time. So thank you for watching this short video. If you liked the video, please hit that subscription button. Also, you can like the video, share to friends, so that they can learn on how to install electrical appliances. Press that notification bell